In this exercise, we're going to look at passwords. Passwords need to be as secure as possible. So just for testing purposes, this exercise asks you to create a password between 6 and 13 characters in length. It should have an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, one digit, and at least one symbol. So lots of different websites have different rules for passwords, and you need to take the time to look at how passwords can be best created. I'm now going to create a password in here. So I'm going to put up hello world. This incidentally is not a very secure password because it contains words, and so I'm not advising that you do this. However, we can change the hello to capital H so that we've got a capital. We can put a 3 in there for hello world, for example, and then we can put a symbol in, which is like an exclamation mark. This will probably pass the test. However, one of the ways of creating a password is to think of a favourite nursery rhyme or something like that. So I might do Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. And you can see here I've just used the first letters of that famous nursery rhyme. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. If I change the A to an at, you can see that my password is becoming secure. And because I'm using my software skills, I might put a capital M at the end and an S, okay, because my software skills starts with an M and ends with an S. The only thing I haven't got in here is a number, so I can perhaps put the number 0 in there, and instead of the 2, capital T, I might put T. So I've got my software skills, and then Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Now, I don't know whether I've exceeded the number of characters. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've slightly gone over there. So if I check the password, it'll tell me it's not the correct length. But you get the general picture, and your idea is to put in a nice password which will meet those requirements.